Choose something from the bowl of shame for Maddie. No! First try! Oh my gosh! What's going on, crew? Welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, I'm Scylla.
And I'm Maddie.
And today we're doing Don't Push the Wrong Button Sunshine Part 2. So we're doing the challenge again, but with a twist. You cannot choose the wrong button, but if you do, oops, you get an item from the bowl of shame. But you get to pick the item. The other person gets to pick the item for you. This is going to be scary. And if you choose the right button, you get all the ingredients laid out in front of you. So before we jump into this video, make sure you guys check out Toppings because we're on there from Friday to Sunday and from 3 to 5 p.m. And we can FaceTime you guys, text you guys, and live stream with you guys. So go check it out. And before you get started, don't forget to smash that subscribe button to be part of the crew. So let's get started. Okay, round one. Rock, paper, scissors to see who gets to push the button first. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Yes, I always get her. I want to pick green. No! That means I choose something from the bowl of shame for Maddie. What will I choose for you? I think some chocolate syrup sounds tasty. Some hot fudge. Very, very tasty. Yay! Here you go, Maddie. One ice cream sundae coming up. Sounds good. Yummy, isn't it? Enjoy. Okay, my turn. I want to choose the blue. I got it! I got it! Oh my gosh, I got it! I got it all! My first try! Oh my gosh! I got a metallic color! Oh my gosh, that is so pretty. Look at how pretty that is! Oh my god, that is so pretty. Okay, it's time to add the green. I love this neon green, it's so pretty. Oh my gosh. Maddie's so mad right now. Oh, Maddie. At least you have a little sundae there for you. Time for the pink, Maddie's favorite color.
I can't lie.
I love how these are all so neon. It's so pretty. Now time for the purple, and there's glitter in here.
Mine looks better than yours. And it smells better than yours.
This purple's so pretty.
So it's round 2.
And I'm gonna push first this round. No!
Let me pick something. I'm gonna pick baby food.
No, please no, please no.
Yep. Time to put this in.
Stop! That's enough.
No.
Stop, that's enough.
I remember making some with baby food. It actually worked, but it smelled gross. Okay, now I'm gonna pick. I want to pick orange.
No! M&M's for you. This is what you get for baby food.
But my combination is really good. And
enjoy your food.
okay, Priscilla, choose.
Purple and green. I'm gonna pick. Yay! Yay! I really wanted these.
All I have is chocolate.
My pretty. This is so pretty. Pink glitter glue. It's so pretty. Oh my gosh. It's covering up all the baby food. I need something that will make the smell go away. My purple glitter glue.
All I just have is boring chocolate. At least you have something really bad that's the horrible one, which is baby food.
Now, the 2 glitter glues I really wanted. They're so pretty. Oh my gosh. They're so glossy. Look how pretty they both look. Oh my gosh.
That's so pretty. Okay, so it's round 3 and we have slime kits. Let's see what button I want to push. Purple.
No. Oh my gosh. Okay, what do I want to give
you in here.
Since you don't have any glue yet, or any slime in there, I'm gonna give you some old store-bought slime.
Ew.
Well, that leaves you with orange. Wait, what? There's more?
Yeah.
No.
Let's see. I think your slime is really unhealthy. So I mean, let's use tomatoes. Sorry, but you gotta use some tomatoes. Your slime was really unhealthy. Now it's my turn to pick. So, let's see. Green. Yes, I get the slime kits! Yes, I can't believe it! This is the best day of my life. Oh! Guys, there's only 3 glues in each kit. That means I get 6 glues. Hey! Let's pour them in. So I got 2 blues, a pink, purple, red, and green. Yes! Oh my gosh, I can't believe I got glue! Oh my gosh, this is such a pretty blue! Okay, now I want to add in my green glitter glue. Priscilla's so bored just watching this beautiful glitter glues go in. I can't believe I finally got glue! This is like the only good thing I have right now. Need help? Nope. No! I love the purple and pink. Okay, so it's round 4. Priscilla, you get to pick your button first.
I want to pick the blue.
Ha! I get to pick and... Okay, I guess I want to pick this. Chocolate fudge whipped cream.
I went on my ice cream so much. It's gonna explode, hurry up! That's good!
Okay, now I get to pick mine. I'm gonna pick blue.
No! I just picked blue!
Oh.
I'm going to give you
No, not the milk aside. No.
some cheese. I don't understand how this cheese comes out so smooth.
I know, look how nice it is.
I am not done with you. I'm not done with you. I want to pick the orange. No, please no.
Let's add in a nasty, ugly slime. Wait, this isn't bad. It's just slime. Vomit. Look at that. It's like corn. Ew. Looks like you just vomited in your slime. I want purple. Yes, I get all these glues. Yes, I got purple, orange, blue, and glue all. I'm so happy that I got my glue all. Oh my gosh, look. It's so glossy. Can I put my orange? Let's add in my purple and blue. Oh my gosh, that's so gorgeous. Priscilla is so mad that she didn't pick the right button.
Round 5. Maddie, pick your button.
I want blue. No!
How about some fettuccine noodles? They would taste very yummy, don't you think?
Have fun cooking. There you go.
Enjoy! I want to pick the orange button. Yay! I got it! Woohoo! I got that glitter glues! Woohoo! Okay, here's my silver and red. That's so pretty. I gotta cover up all that chocolate. My purple and blue. You jelly or what? You jelly or what?
Our final round Push your button.
I want. No!
Yes. I'm gonna pick the last food item. Snickers. I'm gonna pick green.
No! I'm gonna pick this melted store-bought slime. Here you go. Some melted store-bought slime.
Seriously?
Okay, so now I'm gonna choose orange.
So this is the last bad ingredient, melted grape slime. Let me get my fettuccine stick.
That's good enough.
So now that only leaves me with one button left. Yes, I get glitter! Cover up those fettuccine sticks. Oh, yes. Yeah, I know, Priscilla's so jelly. Hey, no! No, you can't do that! You can't do that! I gotta cover my glitters. My glitter looks so pretty.
Now it's time to mix. Okay, let's see what color it turns out to be. Wow, this looks chocolatey. Where is the black from?
That's, I think, from the grape.
Ew, what is this?
Here's mine. Let's mix it. I always break spoons. Okay, let's mix.
Oh, look at that. That's so gorgeous. Take a picture.
Whoa, there's slime right there. It's like impossible to mix because of all the slimes. I can't mix in the glue.
Mine is like a purple shade, and I actually like it. It has a whole bunch of glitter, thanks to all the glitter glues.
I'm not sure how mine will turn out because look at it right now.
3, 2, 1, fast mode! And here are our slimes. And they're not the best looking slimes as you can see, but they feel great.
So here is my slime. You can see the M&Ms and the fettuccine noodles, and the M&Ms did lose their color, but the chocolate's still there. And it may not look the prettiest, but the texture is amazing. I actually like my slime.
And here is my slime. It does not look very great, but it's actually really pretty with all the glitter. The texture is very, very cool. And as you can see, there's a tomato, some Snickers, and some store-bought slime. But I really like the way my slice texture is. It's very, very satisfying.
Comment down below whose slime you like the best and whose looks the best. I don't think mine looks, Priscilla's looks really nasty. I think mine looks the best.
Oh my gosh, you can hear all the food when you jiggle this.